In this video, you will learn how to create a Google Ads account without a credit card. First, go to the Google Ads website and click on Start Now. Sign in with your Google account or create one. During the sign up process, Google will ask for basic information such as your website, business name, and advertising goal. Proceed with filling out the required details. Now, when you reach the billing setup, Google typically asks for your payment information such as your credit card. If you do not want to use your credit card, either choose an alternate payment or you can skip this step. Now, if you want to try and avoid using the immediate payment plan, you can choose Google Ads voucher or promo code to start a campaign with the credit balance. Google often offers promotional credits when you create a new account, which can help you avoid paying upfront. Complete your account setup and start creating your campaigns. Monitor your account to ensure and adhere to any payment deadlines or billing cycles that may be set once your ads start running. However, later on in the line, you may need to add your credit card information or another payment method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.